the two most important thing which we have to understand in this trading journey. So that is what I'm going to discuss in this video. And without any doubts, if you understand this concept, this trading journey will be very easy and you will not distracted with outside noise, and you will just focus on your trading setup, your trading strategy, your journey. That is more important. So stick to this video until the end of this video. And if you have not subscribed this YouTube channel, go and just subscribe, because I'm going to come up with so many other educational stuff which will make it easier, more simple in your trading journey. And yes, so when I'm putting this time and effort sharing my experience, I want a like from you guys. Just hit a like button over there, and do share it with your friends and families about this channel, because we are going to come up with a tsunami, the biggest educational hub in Bounce Trading Academy. So the question, I want to start with the question: have you seen some people, they come up with full of excitement in this trading journey, they want to learn, they have come, they have taken this course, but they disappeared. Not everyone, but few of them, they disappear. There is a saying, right? Like most people say 90% people fail, 90% of the people lose money. So I want to make it a little bit easier for you guys not to fall into that trap of 90% of that people. So when I say that people disappear from the stock market or this trading journey, is because their accounts will get wiped out, isn't it? Or their account will blow. For example, my account has blown for more than 10 times initially, without any doubt. Yes, I'm not ashamed of that. So it's totally okay. And I don't want your account to get wiped out. So as I said, stick to this video until the end. So what happens is, when you see this trading things in social media, for example, the trade which I have taken, you guys might have seen it if you are in my Instagram, that whenever last week whenever I took trade, maybe Bitcoin, gold, some other forex trade, I made some $2,500 profit. I also made loss of $400 loss. So looking at this fancy number, $2,500 means it is, to be precise, it is more than 2,300. So it comes around 1,80,000 rupees profit in the gold trade. And looking at that, it is really, for some people, it is more inspiring. And it feels like, okay, even I want to start this journey, trading journey. And that is how I started my journey, okay, looking at other people's profit and loss. But then I realized that I was attracting the disaster in my life, and that is why I lost, more than 10 to 15 lakhs. Yes. So then I made money, I recovered. I'm not going to talk about that. So looking at other people's profit and loss, we feel that inspired, or we feel that I want to start this journey. Now that is totally okay, but what is not okay is just to stick with that numbers, like $50,000, $10,000, $2,000, say 50,000 rupees, 1 lakh rupees. Wow, he's making that much of amount. Wow, he's making big profit. And at the another scenario, when I made $400 loss, some people may be like, oh, this is too risky, I don't want to get into the stock market or trading stuffs and all. Now I want to change a little bit perspective over here. We as a trader, we just don't simply take profit or loss. We have this system called 2% of risk. Yes, the capital, whatever the capital which I have, I have right, or I am able to take this amount of risk. So this is called following the system. So before looking at other people's profit and loss, you must understand what is the size of his capital. Yes, what is the size? It is not the size of 1 lakh rupees capital, and someone is taking risk of 50,000 rupees. It is like almost 50%. Then he cannot be a professional trader. So just inspiring by other people's profit and loss, you shouldn't start this journey. You should know that what is the size of his capital. Now, I have not revealed my capital, I know that, but you can just calculate, if I am able to take $400 loss, what should be my capital? So professional traders, they go with system, they take defined loss. We take defined loss, that is why we are sustaining in the market. But if you have seen some newbies, like they come just to make money in trading, they come with full of excitement, but they disappear, isn't it? So the reason for them to disappear is they go behind this 10,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees or 50,000 rupees, these profit things, like I want to make money. This mindset is not, this will not help you out in this long journey. Initially you may feel, yes, I made 10,000, 20,000. No, when you are taking any trade, you have to know that what is the risk which you are going to take, right? So that is how we are taking. I'm capable of taking $400 loss, and that is what you have seen in my trade, like Bitcoin trade. I've shared all my logic behind that trade also live on Instagram. If you're not in my Instagram page, go and check it out, Inspiring Traders profile, and just follow it for more other live updates and more other educational stuff. So what I'm trying to say over here in this short video is, don't just think about, oh, he is making money, even I want to make that amount of money. No, each person, each individual has their own capital. So based on this risk management, we are taking logical trade. So number one, what is that? Don't just think about looking at other people's profit and loss. Just come to this trading journey. Don't do that. Rather, educate yourself. How much are you able to take risk? What should be your risk? How much risk you have to take? That you have to know about it. All right. So the number two is very important. You might have seen me also posting some profit. Forget about me. There might be other people, right? Like they are making good amount of money. Consistently, they are making money. Looking at that, we feel that, oh my God, this guy is making money daily. Now, we never think, or we never study about their past, how much time they have put. If anyone who is making consistent amount of money, minimum, based on my experience, I'm saying he has spent 3 years at least on the chart. He made mistake, he learned, he educated, he practiced, he put effort, he put his blood and sweat, and now he is able to make consistent amount of money in this trading journey. It is not just overnight success. You will make money, oh, if just you learn how to buy and sell, you will make money. No, you need to practice it. And that is the whole system which we teach in our course also. So what I want you to understand, never ever get into this kind of thoughts or this kind of assumption that looking at other people's profit and loss, even I can make money. Definitely you can make money, but make sure you learn his journey. Make sure what is the capital he is having. Make sure how much time he has put into this trading journey. Make sure you learn his journey before you just track his profit or loss. But yes, why am I sharing this profit and loss is because I'm here to break this myth called trading is risky. Yes, it is not risky. We have to take this defined risk and we have to look for a good reward. All these things a professional trader will follow. It is not just profit and loss, guys. So these two things you have to understand. One, what is the capital which someone is using when he is making some particular amount of money? For example, I made $2,300, which you have seen. I made loss of $400. What is the size of my capital? Do you think my size of capital is 3,000 and I want to make $2,300? No, because if it goes against my price action or my view, my account will blow. Like my account will get wiped out, right? So I have that capacity to take that risk. That is why I've taken this $400 risk. And the second one is, what is the time and effort someone has put behind his trading journey to make this consistent amount of money? These two things which we have to understand before we just simply get into this fantasy or fantasizing world. So make sure you know everything, and make sure you also start this journey with small amount. Educate yourself, practice yourself, use the strategy, backtest it, surround yourself with the traders, professional traders, and let's grow together. I'm sure that you are here because you want to stick to this Bounce Trading Academy. You want to stick to us, and you have seen our performance in Telegram channel also. Sometimes we make loss, sometimes we make good profit. And yes, and if you're not in the Telegram channel, make sure you go and join. I'll mention it in my description. So I hope these things will bring some clarity, and this will definitely change your perspective towards trading journey. So I'll see you in my next video, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. All right, then I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much, guys.